What changes is truly unchanging. What manifests is truly unmanifested. What it really is has no its separate place, form, or function, because it appears as all places, forms, and functions simultaneously. So it seems to be nothing, and yet everything obviously testifies to its presence. So the great secret is nothing that awakens you to this pure presence of reality. And that reality manifests as all of your present experience in unity with all other parallel experiences that happens simultaneously. So when you pay close attention to that dominion which reigns as indivisible allness, you will start to recognize and feel yourself more and more as that. And then you will reveal your own perfect harmony of life to yourself. That harmony which unerringly and effortlessly always manifests everything that serves you best in being all that you need to be. So be happy.